Na hi, titas.
Hi, Titas. I want to sit by you.
Next to me? You just sit here.
But I want to sit there.
Okay, just drag it. Don't, not like that. Just drag it. Pull it. Just pull. Yeah, slowly. Magbe-breakfast pa po ang nanay. Kain po tayo. May avocado ako dito. Toast na may konting butter. And then, fried egg. Tapos today,
Food?
and magkakape ako today. Gusto niya ipakita yung food daw niya eh. Yan, biscuit. Galing pa to sa Vietnam and it's still okay. May konting natira, so hayaan ko na siyang ubusin yan. Kumain na po kasi to. Yan, yung tubig niya. Oh. That's only water, toch?
Yes, but he was maar als opa en ik als opa en papa naar Juliana toe horen, toen was ik een hele lekkere drinken.
Oh, yeah, you had ranja inside, no?
Nee, net Ranja.
What's that then? Juice? Just another juice? Yeah? And what's the flavor? Like orange or
But I know, but I cannot the name.
you don't remember the name? You don't know the name? Okay. So kain na po muna kami. Day off si Mama. And what are we gonna do later? We are going to
Kafmolen.
Coffee Mola.
Koffiemolen. I think Kafmolen, but it's
Yeah.
Koffiemolen.
Yeah, Kaf Mola is another place lang. That's where Oma works. And Tante Apple also. And that's where Mama used to work, yeah? I worked there before. Yeah? Alas 10 na po. And ngayon pa lang, wala pa kaming ligo. We haven't washed up yet. But after this, we will wash up. Because Anna has been cleaning her stuff. She's been organizing, and then I asked her to clean her toys. She has to organize all her toys. And then we will put away the toys that she doesn't need anymore. Doch? Yeah. And then after that, maliligo na po kami and magre-ready kasi gusto niyang pumunta sa Coffee Molen, yung tambayan namin dati. And mag-ano kami doon. Finally, yung battery, fix na po siya. Yung bike ko, magagamit ko na because we already bought yung battery, bagong battery. So, pwede na kaming mag-bike mamaya. We can already go with Mama's back fits, yeah?
Yeah, fiets. Fiets.
Kain po muna ako. Ayan. Yung kwintas ko na na paborito ko, finally na-fix ko na din kasi it was really badly tangled ba. So, ko na siya. Anong tawag doon sa Tagalog? But sa Bisaya, lambod-lambod na ba? So, thankfully this morning na okay naman na siya. Well, kausap ko yung nanay ko. Say hi to Mommy B. Hi, Mommy!
Hi, Mommy.
Kain na po muna kami ni Ana. May batang matigas ang ulo. Oh. Tapos ko na ginawa yan kanina. Gusto niyang ulitin. Sige. Yan yung gusto niyang gawin, yung hawiin yung kortina. Tapos lagyan yung may pang yung nabili kong pang ng kortina ba? Pang tie ng kortina. Siya yung gumagawa lahat. Yan, dito ginawa na niya. Dito din. I asked her to organize all her toys. But until now, wala pa. Hindi pa nagawa. Ayan, ginawa na din niya yan. Be careful when you come down, eh. Yeah, be careful. Sit first. Sit first. No, you cannot jump. Spring ka ron. Very good. Heel goed. Sige na, organize na stuff na.
Maar die is daar voor boven. Ik heb al klaar voor boven.
Yeah, I know. So, start na. Tumatagal siya kasi pag may nakikita, parang gano'n din ako ba? Yeah, I know. Pag may nakikita, nilalaro niya. Huh? See? I'm putting away stuff. Sumuka, oy. You left it there. Wow, sumuka. Kami lang dalawa. Namimiss ko po yung ganito. Kasi every Wednesday nga, day off ako. Pero nasa school siya. So, nagkakabanding kami sa hapon na. Kaso ngayon, bakasyon ngayon. Bakasyon pa din siya. So, may time pa kami ganito.
Mama, kijk, ik heb meer plek.
Oh yeah, but then you still have a lot. I want everything gone from there. Please. Sige na, start na.
A few moments later.
Hi, titas! Kain!
Kain.
Yan, hindi po kami natuloy ni Ana kasi masama yung weather. So, nag-order na lang kami ng food. May pepperoni, kinder meal po ito. It means, ano siya ba? Para sa bata, kids meal. And then, my mini pancake siya dan, puffertjes. And then, my fries kami. Chicken, para sa akin. Pero, ayan, kinakain niya yung chicken. Tapos, may mini pepperoni pizza po kami sa makain.
Kain.
One eternity later.
Ja, pizza.
Ja, ik ben klaar met over. Op tafel kijken.
Wow!
Hij wil niet met die rode eten.
Maar het is ini mini. Of wil je hem van papa hebben? Kijk, er zit ini mini rode in. Maar die is lekker.
Ik wil geen rode.
En dan niks, dan krijg je niks. Maar kijk eens, goed eens proeven. Ini mini proeven. Proeven.
Lekker. Yeah.
Ja, dat is andere rode, hè? Dat is andere. Maar geef chocolaatje van papa.
Nee.
Nakalimutan ko na pong mag-vlog. Mag-aalas 7 na dito and kaka-dinner lang namin. May ampalaya ako dito tsaka longganisa. Galing longganisa from Mama Merienda. Ayan. Tapos yung aking ampalaya, dala ko pa to galing sa trabaho. Freezer ko lang. Gawa po ng team leader namin na Filipino. Pinrela. Yung leftover. Yung dessert namin ay yung paborito naming cake ni Ana. Short cake. How do you call that, Papa? Kabak?
Gebak, ja.
Kabak.
Slagroomsnietsen.
Slagroom kabak? Toch? Ew!
Wat?
Is that your vriendje? Wow.
Nee, is niet maar een vriendje.
She has a fly on her hand. Sabi, Huy! Boy! Leave it! Let it go! It's dirty!
Ik schrik van jou, mama.
Papa
Ja.
wil straks vliegen met papa.
Sinasabi niya na ang mga langaw daw kaibigan niya. She said the flies are her friends, huh?
Ja?
In the camping, yeah.
Maar die zijn allebei al dood.
Are they your friends?
Ja, maar die zijn dood.
Ze zijn dood? Who killed the flies? Opa?
Nee.
Wie dan?
Die ken ik niet, maar dat is mama.
Mama van Rongrong! Huy! Pataka ramang kagpasingan, uy! Was the mama van Rongrong in the camping? Oh no, she was not there.
Nou, ik bedoel vandaag
She's about the camping. Ha?
Vandaag thuis.
Oh. Okay. Yan, pahinga muna ako ng konti tapos kain. Friday! And what happens on Friday?
Eierkamer?
Yeah. What happens on Friday?
Mama, papa, kamer.
What will you do in Mama Papa's camera?
Slapen.
You will sleep in Mama Papa's room? So, every Friday, allowed po siya. Na-mention ko na yata, allowed po siyang mag-ano sa amin, tumabi sa amin. Pero these days, tumatabi to, minsan, tumatabi to lalo pag umuwi galing sa lolo't lola. What do you want to say to the titas, love? You always ask, is that the titas? What do you want to tell the titas? Where are you going? Where do you want to go on vacation?
Waar ben je 10 heen?
Vietnam?
Nee, Filipijnen.
Philippines? You know how to say Filipina in English? Philippines.
Philippines. Netherlands.
Yeah, that's in English, huh? But in Netherlands, how do you say that? Nederland?
Nederland. Engels.
And how do you say Philippines in Netherlands?
Filipijnen.
Yeah, Filipina. Ben je Philippines of Nederlander?
Nederland en Filipijnen.
Very good. Dual po kasi itong batang ito. Pilipina at Dutch. unang naging Pilipina. Syempre,
Kumis.
Pilipino.
Ja, kom maar.
Kasi, syempre, Pilipino ang nanay at Pilipinas din to napanganak. Yung una kong kinuha, yung Philippine passport niya. Tapos, doon na po kami nag-apply ng Dutch passport sa kanya sa Manila, doon sa Makati. Andun yung embassy. She's only eating the, the whipped cream. Lulu, that's the tweede van papa's got!
First one is to try and the second one is to eat.
There's the second slice for papa.
Papa, ik lust eigenlijk deze balletjes nu.
Kom maar. Ze zijn lekker, dat is lekker.
Ooh, lekker. Can you sit properly, love? Love, can you sit properly? Sit properly.
Zitten.
No, you're not sitting properly. You're on the edge. So you will easily fall. Sige na, taro nga. Tanog lingkod. I will get more rice. Uy!
Ik deed dat.
Excuse me.
Kijk papa.
No, I...
Maar dat is wel mooi ja.
On the floor? Nagkatak? Kapon. Dagway, oh.
Nou niet. Gaat er nu zijn.
You said you want to talk to Papa. What do you want to say to Papa? You've been asking, what time will Papa come home?
Kusje.
Wow. She said she was really like you know, when she is shy. She said, you've been relieved, oh Papa. Sabi niya, in love daw siya sa tatay niya. And then, she asked me, were you in love with your father too when Daddy was alive? I said, yeah. Oh, but now you're in love with Papa. You chose another man. She said like that. You have the other man gekeuze. She said. Ang cute. But her curiosity is really cute, man.
Je moet ook deze eten, hè, op de cake. Kijk eens.
Maar ik wil eigenlijk niet zo eten. Ik wil als de slagroom op en dan deze eten en dan deze en dan deze en dan deze.
Doe maar dan.
Ulit yung sinusuot ni Ana na dress, no? Kaya yan yung favorite na niya dress pag nasa bahay. That's your favorite dress, love, to? Shall Mama get you another dress in the same shop? From the same shop? Don't touch your eye.
Alleen niet kopen, maar
Ja, de slagroom opeten, jij.
I thought you already threw away this shirt, Bang. How old is this shirt?
2 months.
You just go for 2 months, imong daw. Hindi pa kami nagkakilala. Sinusuot na niya.
Home clothes, bro.
Huh?
Home clothes.
die is kapot.
That's like...
4 people.
Kijk,
4
oh.
people. Hier is kapot.
Poor people.
Nou, only have
Papa,
this one
hoe
new
was dat kapot?
10 years, 15. But this one is new. This pants.
No, that's really, really, really old.
Papa, hoe was die kapot gegaan?
Like how old? 20 years already?
Yeah, older. I have when I played football, it's more than 20 years ago. Ja?
Hoe was die kapot?
Welke shirt?
Ja.
Denk mama.
Jij!
Nee.
Jij!
Nee,
Love.
ik
Papa, love. Papa played football too much. That's why.
Je cake is wel beter, schat.
Ben je echt zo voetballen dan ook?
Vroeger. En wat doe je cake opeten?
Don't forget to drink water, hè. Dus proberen. What?
There's her way to eat it. She wants to eat it like
Yeah,
this. Not
layer
like
by
this.
layer.
Yeah.
Ganyan siya kumain talaga ng cake.
Hey, die is zo
Hey, slow
snel.
down, love. Nee, Anna, slow down.
Doe maar eens een beetje water drinken. Hoor. Dat is wel goed voor jou.
Ja. Je binnen zit er. Het lijkt een beetje als een dinosaur. Klein zo. Toch? Lijkt een beetje
Misschien
als
een
een
beetje.
dinosaur.
Ja.
Weather was weird today. It would rain and then a little bit hot rain. Not hot, warm. Lekker?
Dat vond je net lekker. Ja.
Lekker, hè?
Dat is te veel.
Dat moet je zo eten. Dan. Kijk eens zo.
I think hindi ko maubos yung slice ko kasi ang dami kong tubig na ininom. Yung aming pa-dessert.
Ja, weet je nou wat ze gaan doen hoor? She knows that you have to cake. Je moet
Wat?
allemaal mee eten.
Ha?
Ik doe niet mama's cake.
Wat ga je doen? Waarom ben je hier?
Niks.
Why are you here?
Niks.
What do you need
Anna
from
wilde kiwi hebben op de cake. denk ik.
Ah, kiwi?
Ik hou niet van kiwi.
What are you here for then? Wow pa dyan.
Dat zei je toch niet bij.
Ah, okay. I will just give it to Papa then.
Anna. Doe maar hapje pakken, hapje. Als je ze papa geven, dus ze mij geven, hè. Doe maar hapje pakken, hapje.
Muna na ito yun, mo? Oh, so that now. That's
Als het
four.
niet lekker is, geef maar aan papa.
What do I do with this one? I eat with my hand. Yeah.
Ah ja.
Kaya kang dalawa ni mo.
Ja, ze heeft zo zoeken nou hoor.
No, yeah.
Hé Anna, doe muziek maken.
Tingnan niyo ang mukha.
Dus muziek maken zo.
Ah, pata, pata. Ah, pata. Uy. Pata. Na ano na? Ah, pata, pata.
Nog een keer.
Ah, pata, pata. Lam, watch out, Tab. You might bump your head there, oh. Look. Ah, pata. Ah, pata, pata. Ah, pata, ah, pata. Na, may pikto na yung sugar ni Aunt. Yung sugar na kinain.
Nee, doe too much, I think.
She had candy too earlier.
Ja? Oh.
Of course, when I'm not looking, she was already.
She's really like you now.
Name. You're like Papa. Name Oma.
Nee, ik ben
Anna.
niet.
Wel even een beetje water drinken, ja?
Yeah, drink water, my love.
Dat is goed voor de buik. Nee, schatje, dat is goed voor de buik.
Sige na, love. It's good for the bulk, eh? Water. Uy. Naunsa naman yung bata. Uy. Ah, pata, pata.
Ja!
mag-vacuum kasi ako hindi matapos-tapos. Tapos yung kalat ni Ana dyan. Ay, Diyos ko. Say goodbye to the titas, be. Let's say goodbye to the titas.
Bye, Tita. See
Now, bye, tita. See you next time.
you next time.
Iyan ko na po yung pa-video na magre-relax na lang naman kami. Happy weekend sa inyong lahat. I hope nag-enjoy kayo by the time you see this. Tapos na ang weekend. So, I hope yung weekend nyo naging naman masaya. At makabuluhan. Char lang! May lakad po ako bukas kasi Papa's Day bukas eh. Pero baka, araw nila yan. Gusto yan ni, araw nila yan normally Sabado. And, yan po yung gusto ni Mr. na may araw na nasusolo niya si Ana. And sa Sunday, kaming tatlo. Hindi pa. So, bukas, may mga lilinisin pa po ako dito sa bahay. Tapos, may lakad po ako. Or baka pumunta dito si Rina, hindi ko sure pa. Baka ako yung i-meet ko na lang siguro siya sa city. So, see you na naman po. Thank you. I hope okay po kayong lahat. Uy, mush-mush babush. Sama, mush-mush babush. Oh, yun na. Yung kalat dyan. Ano? Uy!
Yes, we will.
Okay, it's okay.